everyone, welcome to Amuna Foods. Today we are going to show you how to make maize meal as Posho or Cornmeal in Luo. The Kenyans call it Ugali. So we are just going to add some hot water. I think I'll put 3.5. If you feel like when you start mingling, when the water is less, you can always add hot water, but make sure that you have boiled water in your kettle when you start mingling. So we add our maize meal powder now. Like that. We leave it to boil a little bit, you know, because it needs to cook a little bit. What you can also do is just mix around like that. Just, you know, you give it time to cook a bit. I usually leave the side first to cook, then I start spreading, you know. When you don't allow it to cook for a little bit, it's going to come out raw and you are not going to enjoy it at all. You've got to give it time to cook well. I'm just going to break the middle. Yeah, give it more time. And break another there. Okay, slowly now, I'm just going to, this is just how I do mine. Break it slowly. You can see lots of lumps. Then also be careful because it is hot. Just taking my time because I'm giving it more time to cook. Then I will start mingling. I think I'm ready. You need to hold your saucepan now. Just keep on pressing it like that. You know, keep on mixing it like that. And also you should be able to feel, if it feels a bit too hard, then you can, you know, add a little bit of water, but this one seems to be alright. It's soft. Then you press it against the saucepan like that. Go like that. For little girls who are learning to cook, maybe you need to learn by just using very little maize meal so that it can be easy for you to mingle. Because this one here needs more energy. The reason why you should make your maize meal a bit soft is because it kind of hardens as well once you like put it in the plate. So it's good for it to be soft. Just keep on pressing until all the powder is gone. So the fire is getting too hot. What I tend to do, I cover it for a little bit. Turn the fire down completely, cover it, leave it for about two minutes. You know, it's giving it more time to cook and, you know, the aroma to build up. Okay? Let's finish this job off. See, it has added a little bit, but it's still okay. So what I'm doing really now, perfect. So actually, our maize meal is done. Usually, I just leave this on top and cover with the saucepan back when trying to serve the rice so that it can stay hot. So guys, our maize meal is done. It came out perfect. You can eat this with beans, with yellow peas. You can eat it with meat stew or any sauce at all. It goes with almost anything, just like you eat rice with other stuff. Remember to subscribe to our channel, comment, share, like, and turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on any video that we post in the future. We really appreciate you. We appreciate your support. May the Lord bless you. Take care. Bye-bye.